This is so easy. This is so easy.
Political correctness for me is easy.
Presidential's easy.
Not using profanity is very easy.
Right. We're all going to make a deal on health care. That's such an easy one.
You're going to have such great health care at a tiny fraction of the cost, and it's going to be so easy.
It would be very easy and very quick to get gasoline prices down.
I can take care of China in my back pocket. That's easy for me.
Russia? Oh, that's a pretty easy one.
It would be so easy for me to terminate this man, ruin his life, ruin his family.
Taking candy from, like, that beautiful little baby, okay? So easy.
We're building the wall. The wall is going to be built. It's easy. A lot of politicians said, you can't get Mexico to pay for the wall. I said, oh, it's going to be so easy.
Trade is so easy for me.
You have your prisoners back. It's so easy.
This is question and answer. I said, good, that's easy.
I would love to read speeches off of a teleprompter. It is so easy to do.
Words are easy.
We have drugs, we have debt, we have empty factories. That's going to end. That's going to end. So easy.
You're fired. That's so easy.
We're going to make some unbelievable changes. And it's so easy.
We're going to stop the nonsense that's going on, and it's so easy to stop.
Come up with something that everybody's happy with. It's so easy.
Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. That's an easy one.